Hey everybody, Mr. Reading here. And now that we've been exploring mutations throughout our different readings and at the very start with Dr. Young's email, we're going to go into our simulator and see firsthand what happens when a population has mutations occurring and how that affects them in their environment. And we're going to start with a population that you see down here in the histogram for our Australopes. And this is going to be our starting population. And then we're going to be focusing on fur color, or I'm sorry, fur thickness. And if you notice here, we have a very unique distribution of a very limited set of variations with this population. And what we're going to start doing before we even run the simulator is predicting what do we think is going to happen after 70 generations if this population here with these fur traits live in a cold environment when we turn on mutations. So we're looking at this histogram, thinking about the variations that we see, thinking about how mutations work, and predicting what do you think is going to happen to our Australopes in 70 generations. And your job is to actually make a prediction. What do you think we'll see in the histogram after we run it 70 generations later? Once you've made your prediction, task number 9, you're going to actually go in and run the simulation. You need to go into the mutation introduction mode, turn the temperature to 1, so very, very cold, like we talked about. Make sure you turn mutations on, and then you're going to run it for 70 generations. Make sure we speed it up, okay? And once it's sped up, screenshot the analysis page and see if your prediction came true. Once you have your analysis page screenshotted with that histogram, you're going to come in here and answer these questions, kind of break down what do you see? Did your prediction come true? What happened? How did mutations affect our population? What happened to the population? Okay. So, based on the histogram you see, predict what you think will happen after 70 generations in a cold environment with mutations. Run the simulator and screenshot your histogram at the end. Tell me what happened. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.